YouTube and TikTok are two of the most popular video sharing platforms in the world with billions of users. But when it comes to making money online, how do these two platforms compare against each other? In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 ways you can make money on YouTube versus TikTok. Let's get started. The first way you can make money on YouTube and TikTok is by uploading videos. So, how do you qualify to make money by uploading videos? For TikTok, you have to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund before you can make money from your videos. While for YouTube, you have to apply for the YouTube Partner Program to qualify for making money from your videos. On the 23rd of July 2020, TikTok announced that it was launching a $200 million fund to pay TikTok creators that have proven that they have the ability to make popular content. And to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, you should be at least 18 years old. You need to have at least 10,000 followers. Also, you need to have at least 10,000 views from the past 30 days. Also, for now, the TikTok Creator Fund is only applicable to creators in the United States, but the company hopes to later on create more funds for TikTok creators worldwide. However, YouTube pays you through ads on your videos if you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Also, your videos must have generated 4,000 hours of overall watch time within the last 12 months. And you need to set up an AdSense account so that you can make money from placing ads on your videos. If you meet all these requirements, YouTube pays you through ads served on your videos, depending on how your audience engages with the ads and the category of videos that you create. The second way to make money on YouTube and TikTok is through donations. You can receive money from your TikTok followers or your YouTube subscribers by streaming live videos. For TikTok, you will need to have at least 1,000 followers and must be at least 16 years old to stream live videos. But for YouTube, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you can still stream live through a computer and a webcam, or you could use other live streaming tools like Streamlab OBS, StreamYard, and much more. So, how can you earn money through donations from your fans on TikTok and YouTube? For TikTok, donations work through coins. Your followers can buy coins from TikTok by using real money and can donate these coins to you in the form of gifts during your live streaming. These are the gifts you can receive during your live streaming. Each gift is worth a certain number of coins. For example, Panda costs 5 coins, Love Bank costs 25 coins, I'm Very Rich costs 1000 coins, and Drama Queen costs 5000 coins. The gifts you receive from your followers convert into diamonds on your TikTok wallet, and you can convert these diamonds into real money in dollars. You can only withdraw your money once you've reached $100, and you can't withdraw more than $1,000 in a day. You also need a verified PayPal account to withdraw your money, and TikTok will process the payment within 15 days. It is important to know that TikTok receives 50% of the money you earn from live streaming as commission. To receive donations from your live streaming in TikTok, you must be above 18 years of age. Now for YouTube, donations work through super chats and super stickers. When you are streaming a live video on YouTube, your viewers can send you super chats and super stickers. Super chats and super stickers allow your viewers to pin a comment or sticker during your live streams by paying some money. This paid comment or sticker is shown as an highlighted message and stand out from the list of messages sent by other viewers. The message is usually highlighted so that you can notice the paid comment, and you can choose to thank the sender for supporting your channel with money. The more money the sender pays, the longer his or her comment gets pinned to the top of the comments you receive. To receive super chats and super stickers, you must be at least 18 years of age and should have qualified for the YouTube Partner Program. You should also be located in the countries where super chats and super stickers features are supported. Besides live streaming in YouTube, you can place some type of support link in your YouTube channel's About page or your video description. By doing so, your viewers or subscribers can donate a certain amount of money through the support link. This can be used as an alternative to super chats and super stickers. Brand deals and sponsorships are other ways to make money on YouTube and TikTok. Influencers on YouTube earn as much as 3 times more than those on TikTok through various kinds of brand deals. There are different ways by which a brand can include its product in a YouTube video, and the sponsorship money that the brands pay to the creators usually depends on the promotion. The three ways by which brand products can be promoted are video mentions, detailed product review, and indirect promotion. While it is true that famous YouTubers get brand sponsorship deals easily and more frequently, YouTubers with smaller followings can also get brand deals by reaching out to brands on their own. Through brand research, YouTubers can find brands that resonate with their audience and then reach out to these brands with proposals showcasing their channel's audience and engagement. However, for TikTok, there's a platform built by TikTok called TikTok Creator Marketplace, which connects TikTok creators with brands. The TikTok Creator Marketplace gives brands access to popular TikTok creators and also offers these popular TikTok creators direct access to brand deals and partnerships. With TikTok Creator Marketplace, brands can see important data about TikTok influencers like total views, followers, likes, comments, shares, engagement rates, audience segments, and so much more. Currently, the TikTok Creator Marketplace supports only 18 countries, and this platform is still in its early days, with TikTok doing a lot of testing. However, outside of TikTok Creator Marketplace, TikTokers can also connect with brands and potential sponsors to promote their products or services. And it is very common to see TikTok content creators working with music record labels or upcoming artists to promote their songs, because many TikTok content creators create short form videos where they dance and lip sync to background music. Merch means products or services you sell to a loyal fan base, like your followers on TikTok or your subscribers on YouTube. Examples of merch are customized t-shirts, caps, hoodies, bags, stickers, and so on and so forth. Before you can make money on TikTok or YouTube by selling merch, you first need to create content that appeals to a target audience, or you don't have to wait until you have millions of followers before you can start making money from merch. There are platforms and services out there that allow small YouTubers and TikTokers to sell customized products to their loyal fans. For example, Spreadshop is a merch seller that gives you total freedom to create your own brand. You can either use the set of online design creation tools that they provide, or you can upload images yourself and get them to print them out on t-shirts. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission when you promote other people's products online. The way it works is, you find a product you like, you promote it on your social media accounts, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale generated from your promotion. For example, you can promote an Amazon product through affiliate links in your uploaded videos. If your viewers click the link and end up buying that product, you earn some percentage from the price of the product. The percentage you earn could be as high as 10% depending on the product you promote. For example, fashion and beauty products tend to have higher percentage earnings, but products like game consoles have lower percentage earnings. However, the difference between YouTube and TikTok is that YouTube gives you enough time to convince your viewers about the advantages of buying a product, but with TikTok, you have only about 15 seconds to promote a product to viewers. Therefore, with TikTok, there's a need for you to get more creative with your content. So, while I think YouTube is the more established platform for sharing videos, building an audience, and making money in the process, I also believe that TikTok has huge potential because it is less competitive than YouTube, and it's also a great platform for young and aspiring content creators to build personal brands. So, which of these two platforms do you prefer? Is it TikTok or YouTube? I would love to know what you think in the comment section. Also, if you found this video very helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get to see more informative videos like this when I upload them. And don't forget to click the like button as well. And if you think your friends will find this video helpful, it would be nice if you can share it with them as well. They will appreciate it. I remain Abidoy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.